Good morning, student of class 6. I am your SST teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter 4 History part 2. In previous chapter, you also taught the civilization style in Harappa and Mohenjo-daro and the beginning of civilization lifestyle in our early period. Now you read this, the Great Bath. Here we found the monuments, and the Great Bath is the most important of this monument of Mohenjo-daro. It is found on the cathedral in the Mohenjo-daro and look like a special rectangular tank. It measures 11.88 meters in length, 7.01 meter in wide and 2.43 meters in deep. It is the Great Bath we found in Mohenjo-daro. Now the galleries and the large hall. Galleries and large halls had been found in the cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Amusements. The people of this culture were fond of entertainment. Children were provided with toys made of clays and woods. Handmade posts have also been found. Occupation of the Harappans. Peoples wore cloths of cotton and wool. Beautiful embroideries was done on garments. Now, image making and sculptures. What is the image making and the sculptures in the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Indus Valley people had made a great progress in the art of sculpture. Many statues and the fingered urine bath animals and made such a young bulls. A strong was dog, a yogi wearing a shawl and a dancing girl with her hand on her hip are worthy notes. What is the dress and ornaments management in the Harappan peoples? So both men and women were ornaments. Men are used to wear dhoti to cover the lower portion of their body, and the women wear skirt or lehenga and cover themselves by the shawl or their shoulders. Cotton was most common fabric used. Wool and silk were also used. Now the seals, more than 2000 seals have been discovered at different sites of the Harappan culture. They are small in size and are made to terracotta. Seal of stone have also been found beside the figure of animal. The seal have a few words inscribed on them. Now the weight and measurement. How the Harappan people weighed and measurements of things. The weight and measurement have found were various size, both heavy and small weight were in use. They were made a chart alike of stone, zapper and the gas stick inscribed with measuring marks have been the found of Indus Valley sites. Art of writing. The Indus Valley people were very advanced people who know how to write. They script in the pictographic where each picture of symbol represent a word or sound. Now the painting. The Indus Valley people like painting, so they drew a different kind of animals and a different kind of painting in their pots, and the paintings in their pots, look, the pots are very beautiful. Now the part 2 is in. Read the topics carefully, and you have any problem, write the comment box in MPS Academy. Thank you.